Our family loves different activities that gets us away from screens and computers and things and gets us out enjoying the outdoors and being active. One of those ways is laser tag with laser blasters. LaserX was nice enough to send us this set right here, as well as some of their other products that work with it. We're going to take a look at the brand new LaserX Fusion in this video, so let's check it out. In the box, you'll find two blasters, a micro receiver which can be used on your back with the front vest receiver or on your arm, a front vest receiver, the long range spotting scope, the long range adapter, the wide range adapter, and an accessory cord. Each of the blasters takes 3 AA batteries, and they're found right here in the bottom, and that's used to power both the blaster and the receiver portion. What makes the LaserX Fusion really cool is this modular system that can be shared between the two blasters that it comes with. On here you can see is the long range adapter, which is going to give you that 500 feet of range, which is really far. This probably won't work quite that far in direct sunlight, but when I tested at dusk, I was getting right around there. And also the scope on the top, which is completely necessary for the actual zoom so you can actually see that far away, because it's really far away. On the bottom here, which I have just attached to this nice little spot where you can store things, is the wide range adapter. So you can put this on the front here. And what that's going to do is, if you remember Contra, it's like a spread. So it's going to give you a wide range so you can hit multiple targets at once. And this is going to give you an advantage, but it's much closer range. So it's not going to give you what this one gives you here. So what's cool is you can share these between the two blasters. Each one of these can be sensed when it's on there, and it's going to give you an advantage with rapid fire capabilities. It knows that it's there. Comment below and let me know which of these attachments you think you'd like the best. To reload the blaster, what you need to do is hold in the trigger, point it down, point it back up, and you're all reloaded and ready to go. What's really cool about the LaserX Fusion is it works with all those other LaserX systems that are out there. You just simply pick either the red team, the blue team, or Rogue, and that's going to allow you to work with all those other systems. So if they're on red team, you're all together. If they're on blue team, you're all together. And if you're on Rogue, you can hit everyone else and they can all hate you. One note about the micro receiver and the front vest receiver. So you can plug these in together and use this on the front and back. And whenever you do that, you can make a shield for 3 seconds every 10 seconds because you have more vulnerability. Or you can split them apart with each blaster so 2 players can go, and this can turn into just an armband so both players can run around. And these are set so it'll have sensitivity so you don't have to hit directly on the blaster, but pretty much the person for it to detect that you've been hit. So when you turn on the LaserX Fusion, you're going to notice a beeping. This beeping is going to keep going on as long as it's on. It's a nice feature because it's going to let you know that it's powered on and you're not draining the batteries. And also helps from people hiding too much, but it's not too loud if you're out and about running around. Now there's some noises that's going to come out of it, such as coaching. Let's see if it pops up. So you can turn on and off that coaching if you'd like. And if you also want to, you can put in headphones, and that's going to take all the coaching and the laser blast sounds out of it. So if I plug in the headphone portion, all you're going to hear is the beeping, and if I fire the blaster, nothing else is coming out of it. If you're using the headphones though, you can also hear, and I'll try this on the mic, a soundtrack coming out of it. So perhaps you're hearing something right now. Our family had a ton of fun testing these out and a blast reviewing them. Make sure to hit that like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you want to watch more videos just like it. You can find links to these in the description below. This has been Paul with the LaserX Fusion. Thank you for watching.